What is going on?
My son's not breathing. You guys need to calm down. Lulu, get out of there.
Son isn't breathing?
Yes, he's not breathing.
How old is he?
He's 16. He's going to be 17 in a month.
Okay, hold on 1 second while I search him. Okay, why isn't he breathing? What happened?
I don't know. I just got home from the store and he's not breathing.
Okay, I'm sending the paramedics to help you now. Stay on the line, okay? I'm already starting them.
Yes.
Okay, listen carefully. I need you to lay him flat on his back, on the floor or the ground, and remove anything under his head. You can take over. Count out loud so I can count with you, okay?
Put on speaker. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna switch places with you.
He's here with me.
Okay, I'm gonna have you breathe into his mouth whenever I tell you, okay? So I want you to stand by. Okay, keep going.
He's shaking.
Okay, here we go, ready? Go ahead and breathe into his mouth. Go ahead and breathe in. Go ahead and breathe in again. Go ahead and breathe in again. Oh, okay. He's breathing. Good. That's good. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna roll him over on his side. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Hey, buddy. Stay with me, buddy. He's breathing, so that's good. Okay. So I'm gonna wait till the paramedics come in, okay? Yeah, you can go ahead and hang up.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up now. Thank you very much.
He's got a pulse now. He just now came back around.
Did he have a pulse when he got here?
No.
He didn't?
No, he didn't.
He has a faint pulse though?
It's pretty strong now. So he was gone when we got here. I started doing compressions, and about 2 minutes into it, he started breathing again. Got pulse back. Fire showed up. Gave him some, and he started coming back around. Report him.
Is he conscious? Is he alert?
Whenever I saw him, he wasn't too.
He's moving around.
Yeah, he's able to.
You alright? You okay? Alright, they're gonna take you to the hospital. Take care of you, okay?